Hello guys, so today we are going to open the rest of the packs here, and yeah, let's start with the Ultra Prism. Let's see what we get. Oh, nice Gibble, Looker's Whistle, and a Rose Rate. Okay, open another. Let's see here what we got. Magnemite. Okay, and oh, a Hollow Infernape. Okay, open another. Let's see here. Lily, nice. A Tapu Lele, Reverse Hollow, nice, and a Drapion. Okay, let's see the next pack. Volkner, pretty good. And Lunala Prism Star. Yeah, I got it already. And Abama Snow. Open another. So let's see. So you got a Cosma Reversal and a Cynthia. Another Rose Rate. Oh my gosh. I might actually do a deck with Rose Rate. Okay, Fire Memory. Let's see here, and Fun Rotom. So next pack. Looker, pretty good. And oh my gosh, Peking Red card. A secret rare. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's open another pack. Big. Ooh, Unit Energy. Passimian. Oh my gosh. Okay, and Alolan Executor. Come on. Let's Gardenia, pretty good. Palpat and Rampardos, nice, and a Shaman. Okay, let's see the next pack here. Okay, another Unit Energy, another Gardenia, and Salazzle. Okay, how do I get the GX? Ooh, Mount Coronet, pretty good. Okay, Abama Snow. And Tapu Lele. Nothing special. Let's see here. Okay. And another Tapu Lele, oh my gosh. Next pack. Oh, Unidentified Fossil, nice. Palpat, very good. Licky, oh my gosh. Let's see. Ooh, could be a Prism Star. Solgaleo Prism Star, nice. And a Garchomp, pretty good. Very good. So, now... Ooh, maybe another Prism Star? No, another Aboma Snow, okay. And Mole Rotom, oh my gosh. So that's the last pack of Ultra Prism. Okay, let's see here. Looker, Cynthia, nice, and Hippowdon. Okay, let's start with the Forbidden Lights now. Let's hope we get something pretty good. Oh, Crush Raker, Ultra Recon Squad, and oh, a little Narak. That's actually pretty good. Let's see here. Lysander Labs, Prism Star, nah, Persifana, and what? Ultra Necro. Oh my gosh, Rainbow Rare. Jeez. Let's see. Maybe our luck continues, and we got Bonnie Full Art. Oh my god. Now we need just a Zygarde. GX. Okay, Lady. Mysterious Treasure, that's actually good. And Magnuson Hollow, pretty good. 8 packs left. Okay, Judge, Frying Metal Pan. Okay, and... Jeez! My luck is so good. That's another secret rare. Okay. Heatran, not so good. And first of all, a holo. Damn, the luck was pretty good. My luck is pretty good, sorry. Okay, Fossil Excavation Map and Empoleon holo. Pretty good, actually. Okay, let's go with another pack. Let's see, oh, a Gibble, nice. Go me. And Armoris holo. Okay, let's see. Ultra Space, that's good. And Dragalge. Or Dragalgi. Okay, nothing interesting here. Except for the Mysterious Treasure, Barbarical, and Heatran. Okay, 3 packs left. Let's see this here. Ooh, Unit Energy, pretty good. Ooh, Malamar. Nice. And oh my god, Dianta Full Art. My luck is so good. Okay, Mysterious Treasure, pretty good. And Florges. It's the holo? No. Okay, next pack. So this is the last pack. Let's see here. Alalan Marowak. Pretty good, pretty good. Okay, now let's start off with the Celestial Storm packs. I like the ripping animation here. Okay. Okay, let's see here. My gosh, Tate and Liza full art. I'm so lucky today. Okay, oh, a Messier Prism Star. Yes, Latias Prism Star, nice. And Deoxys. Okay, let's see here. Oh, and Prism Star. Kartana, Ultra Beast, eh? And oh my gosh, another Alone Rider Gate. Let's see here. Friend Ball, oh that's nice. What the hell? Okay, so let's summarize our polls. Okay, stop. Okay, wait, what I'm doing? Let's see. Least most, let's do something like this. I think it's... no. Okay, whatever. So we've got some pretty cool GXs. We've got Bonnie. We've got Dienta, or we've got Energy Recycle. What? What do we got? Peeking Red card and Titan Liza. Okay, so my luck is actually pretty good. So thanks everyone for watching, and see you guys in the third part.